Hello people, welcome to my channel Physio Guide by Divya. So today I am going to teach about main pulse points, vital signs in our body. Those are first common carotid, right common carotid, axillary, brachial, radial, femoral, popliteal, anterior tibial, posterior tibial and dorsalis pedis. So actually what is pulse? Pulse means the rhythmic dilation of an artery that results from beating of heart. This is the definition of the pulse, and the pulse, it is measured by feeling arteries, and most common is at the place where the wrist of the hand. It's the most common, that is the radial side. In adults, it beats for 60 by 100 beat per minute in adults. So, in detail, we'll discuss about individual pulse. Okay. First one, common carotid. Common carotid, which is between the trachea and the sternocleidomastoid muscle. Feel it by yourself. Next one, axillary. Axillary, it is the lateral wall of the axilla in the groove behind coracobrachialis. So backside, from backside we are seeing, if this is the scapula, this is the humerus. From here, this is the coracobrachialis from backside. Okay, lateral wall of the axilla in the groove behind, so backside of the coracobrachialis, we can check here, axillary. Now the third one, brachial, which is in the cubital fossa, between in this point. When we press in this point, we can feel the pulse between the humerus and biceps on the medial aspects of the arm. Now radial, which is common, and it is seen at the lateral to the flexor carpi radialis tendon, and this point we can feel clearly. Next one, femoral. In femoral triangle, like this. This is inguinal ligament. This is sartorius, and this is adductor longus. In this point also we can feel. Now popliteal, see, this is femoral here, and popliteal. Femoral, in femoral triangle shape it is. Now popliteal, which is diamond shape here. In popliteal fossa, palpated more easily in the prone and in reverse direction, in prone position, in the knee with flexed above 45 degrees. Okay. Now anterior tibial and posterior tibial. See here, anterior and posterior. I'll show. Anterior position, anterior tibial above level of the ankle joint between tibialis anterior, this one, and the extensor hallucis longus tendon. So in this point we can, if we palpate, we can clearly feel that anterior tibial. Now posterior tibial. Now in posterior tibial, in this part, this is medial malleolus and this is lateral malleolus. So in medial malleolus, posterior aspect of medial malleolus, that is at this point if we palpate, we can feel. This is the posterior tibial. Now last one, dorsal pedis, which is in between. Dorsum means back of the foot, between the first and the second metatarsal bones. I'll show it. This is the dorsum of the foot, and which is between the first and the second metatarsal bone. In this point we feel the pulse. This is the dorsal pedis. So this is the nodes. Once if you want to take a screenshot of it. And this is the diagram, the position where the pulses points, exact points are located. So I hope you understood this topic. Thank you for watching my video.